a very good news for you all. Yes, we already know that Cbse reduced 30% of the topics. Yes, so this is our maths books. So you have 30% reduction. So let's see what are the topics, what are the pages, what are the exercises is cancelled. Okay, you want to know that, right? Okay, so let's check one by one each chapter. Okay, so all of you watch the video till the end and get to know what are the topics reduced from our mathematics textbook. So okay, check one by one. So come to the video. Here we have 7 units. Okay, so 7 units is same only. Units are not changed, but in between small exercises, theorems and page numbers is cancelled. So I will tell you clearly each. So all of you ready to watch this session completely and get to understand it well. So be cool first. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what is the first unit here? Yes, number systems. All the units we have, first unit is number system, second one algebra, third coordinate geometry, and fourth is geometry, and fifth is trigonometry, sixth mensuration, and seventh statistics and probability. That all we have, all the units we have, 7 units in total, and let's check one by one, each one. Okay, take your textbook and see. In that number system, only the first chapter is included. We know real numbers. Okay, so let's see real numbers. You can see on the screen. Real numbers, what topic is removed? Yes, Euclid division lemma. So all of you be cool. That topic is removed. Euclid division lemma is completely removed. Take your page number 7. See page number 5. 4, 5. That pages 4, 5, 6 that pages is discussed Euclid division lemma. Okay, so that exercise 1.1 is completely removed. It is completely removed. So dear guys, exercise 1.1 is completely removed. So be cool, relax. Okay, clear? Okay, so first of all you can relax that we already taken that chapter. First one, real numbers. Exercise 1.1 is completely removed and remaining all the topics you have to learn. Okay, so whatever that is a simple topic and half of the portion is reduced. So be good. Okay, so let's move with the next unit. Next is algebra, unit 2. In that we have 4 chapters. First chapter is polynomial, second one pair of linear equations in 2 variables, third is quadratic equations, and next is arithmetic progression. Let's check one by one. Okay, all the chapters we have portions reduced. So let's check second chapter now. Students, come to chapter 2. Okay, here you can see on chapter 2 statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients. Do you remember this portion we studied in your textbook? Here in your textbook, page number 33. Page number 33, 34, 35, all the pages is cancelled. It means exercise 2.3 is completely removed. Which exercise? Exercise 2.3. That exercise questions will not come in your Cbse board exam. Is it clear? Not in board exam and internal exams and not for any exam. This exercise 2.3 is completely removed. Page number 33 onwards. Okay. So you have to study till exercise 2.1 and 2.2 only itself. Okay, clear? Okay, now let's move with the next chapter. So coming to the chapter 3, here pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Cross multiplication method, that is already clearly given. We studied cross multiplication method and it's already studied that. That also cancelled. Okay, in some schools it is already taken and some it's not like that. So anyway, dear guys, please listen. This portion is completely removed from your syllabus. Textbook page number 57 onwards. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62 and 63. Okay, it means exercise 3.5 is completely removed. In that exercise 3.5 we are doing the problems with cross multiplication method. So that exercise 3.5 is removed completely. So you have remaining all the methods, everything you must study, and this cross multiplication method regarding topics and all not included. Now you could 3 chapters I described, and we are moving with the next chapter. Okay, the next chapter is chapter 4, quadratic equations. In that chapter, quadratic equation, it is given situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. Okay, it means what is reduced? Yes, word problems and situational problems. Here in that quadratic equations chapter, you can see direct problems. All the direct problems are included. Directly you can find the roots and formalize the quadratic formula, its applications. Direct applications are there, but you can see word problems, situational word problems, application level word problems, all are removed. So study, enjoy your learning. Today onwards, enjoy your learning. Most of the topics is removed. Okay, so let's move with the next chapter, that is chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Okay. Here, what are the topics removed? Application in solving daily life problems based on sum to end terms. So we have the topics in that. That also is simple, very easy chapter in your Cbse syllabus. 10th standard, very simple, easy syllabus is that. Okay, so we studied that you have to study the topics nth term and sum to end term. Sum to end term is included. It means sum to end terms is included, but you have to include that application level problems. That is not included. Let's see application in solving daily life problems based on sum to end terms. So take page number 107. Okay, in that page number 107, take all of you take that page. In that page number, you can see that equation and all is included. But coming to exercise 5.3, all of you come to exercise 5.3. That small problems all are included. Direct application problems are included. But question number 15 to page number 113. Everyone take page number 113. Yes, page question number 15, 16, 17, 18 till 20. That all are application situational basis problems. That problems is completely removed. So you have 5.1 exercise and 5.2. Here in 5.3, question number 15 onwards. Here question number 15 onwards, these 2 pages till 20 is not included. That is removed. So guys, listen, be cool, relax. So the main means included word problems is deleted from this chapter. So study the equations well and move directly with that direct problems only you will have for the syllabus, Cbse syllabus. Is it clear? Okay. So now, which exercise is clear? Not included. It's not completely removed. Only 15 to 20. Okay. Remaining you have to study. So dear students, coming to next unit. We take page number 141. Coming to chapter 6, chapter named triangles. Yes, dear students, here we have 2 theorems is completely cancelled. What is the first theorem? You take page number 141, theorem number 6.6. So dear guys, be cool, cancel that topic, theorem 6.6 in page number 141, 142, 143, that pages. Okay, and regarding this theorem, the exercise number 6.4, that is also completely removed. Exercise 6.4. One more theorem is cancelled, page number 146. That is theorem number 6.9. So 2 theorems. Theorem number 6.6 and I'll tell you theorem number 6.6, theorem number 6.9. Both the theorems, and regarding based on this theorem what are the problems coming in your textbook, that also removed. So exercise 6.4 is cancelled, completely cancelled. Exercise 6.4 and exercise 6.5 remaining some parts regarding this, based on these 2 theorems what are the problems coming in exercise 6.5, that problems also removed. Okay, so it's not completely removed. 6.5, you have to learn some problems. Based on another, some more theorems we have to study. Based on that you have to study, but only this theorem 6.6, 6.9 that removed. So related that theorems, what are the problems, that's also removed. So anyway, it's almost giving us a relax. Okay, right? Okay. Now let's move with the next chapter. What is our next chapter? Coming with the next chapter, 7th chapter, coordinate geometry. So take page number, coordinate geometry, all of you take coordinate geometry chapter in your textbook. Okay, so coming to that chapter, we have the topic, cancel topic is area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is cancelled. Which chapter? Chapter number 7. So area of a triangle is here. Exercise number 7.3. Take exercise 7.3. Page number 168. Page number 168. Area of a triangle. That also you can cancel it. This portion also you can cancel. So also cancelled completely. Okay. Area of a triangle, its equation and all the problems based on that all are cancelled. And related that you have page number 168, page number 169, page number 170. The exercise 7.3 remove completely. That is deleted. That exercise 7.3 is deleted completely. So we have only 7.1 and 7.2. 7.3 is deleted. Now it is easy. Now that is also a small chapter. And moving with the next chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. Next unit, that is belonging to unit number 5, Trigonometry. There we have 3 chapters, and out of the 3 chapters trigonometry, the first chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry, and the next chapter is Trigonometric Identities, next is Heights and Distances. Okay, in that chapter I will tell you chapter number 8. All of you take chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. The deleted portion is motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, it means the problems related with 0 degree, 90 degree is cancelled. Whatever be the problems, sine 90, cos 90 and application level 90 degree problems. Theta is 90 degree, angle subtended 90 degree, like problems are cancelled. This is chapter number 8. Okay, so I will tell you here parts of exercise 8.2. All of you take exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2, in that not only all the problems, here page number 187. Take page number 187. You can see trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. That heading is completely removed. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Page number 187, 188, 189. That exercise is completely removed. And exercise 8.3 related to this topic. That exercise 8.3 is completely removed in your chapter 8. Exercise 8.3 is completely removed. And one more exercise is that is only parts is removed. That I will tell you questions based on 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, the exercise 8.2 only some parts is removed. Exercise 8.2. That is page number. You can take page number 187. In that you can see sine, cos, tan, that all. But in that what are the problems related with 0 degree, 90 degree? That the problems. Only few parts is removed from exercise 8.2 and a few parts of exercise 8.4 also removed. So is it easy now? Is it clear? Understood? Okay. So what are the proportions cut from your chapter 8? Yes, exercise 8.3 is completely removed and exercise 8.2 and 8.4 both the exercise and some small problems regarding 0 degree, 90 degree like that is completely removed. Okay, clear? Now moving with the next chapter. Chapter number 9. Coming with some chapter. We completed chapter 8. Chapter number 9. What is the chapter name? Some applications of trigonometry. Here In that chapter, let's see, anything is removed in that chapter? No, no deletion. Okay, chapter number 9, heights and distances is the main thing we are studying. There is no deletion. Okay, clear? Clear? Okay, there is no deletion that you must study. Okay, so that chapter is not included in this deleted portion. And next, moving with the next chapter, that is, yes, that chapter name is circles. Next chapter name circles. That's chapter number 10. There is also no deletion. There is nothing we have to study. Only that's a small chapter. Only we have to study 3 topics only. That's also no deletion. And coming to next chapter, constructions. Chapter 10 and 11 included in unit number 4. Okay. So constructions. Coming to constructions, you have, relax. Okay. So what's that? Construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. That portion is cancelled. This will take page number 217. All of you take 217 page number. Yes. Can you see that construction 11.2 down page? Okay. Page number 217. Okay. To construct a triangle similar to a given triangle as per given scale factor. Have you seen that? Okay. That one is cancelled. Construction 11.2 means any problem regarding, I will explain you here. In this construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. You have given one triangle and you have to construct a triangle similar to that triangle. Such problems is completely removed. Okay, so page number 217 down you can see construction 11.2, cancel that session. Page number 218 also you can cancel. 219 also one example is given, that's also you can cancel. Then parts of exercise 11.1. In that exercise 11.1, not all the topics because the first session is included. Construction 11.1. You see here, construction 11.1 this is included, but here onwards 11.2 onwards is cancelled. Okay, 11.2 onwards 218, 19 is cancelled. So regarding that topic only. So construct a triangle similar to a given triangle. Such topics only cancelled. So exercise 11.1 parts, only some parts, some questions is removed. Clear? Exercise 9.1 parts is removed, not completely. Okay. So then also that also you can relax it almost. Okay. So be cool and coming with the next chapter. Moving with the next chapter. What is your next chapter? Yes, chapter number 12. We are discussing next chapter number 12 and 12 areas related to circles and 13 surface area and volume. That will belonging with the mensuration. Okay, unit number 6. Okay, so dear students, coming with this chapter 12. Okay, here areas related to circles. In that chapter, problems on central angle of 120 degree. So what are the problems discussed with central angle of 120 degree? That is cancelled. This is chapter number 12. So you take angle subtended is 120 degree. Such problems you can see in your chapter number 12, that is cancelled. And exercise number I will tell you, exercise 12.2. Take exercise 12.2. Not completely, only parts. Exercise 12.2. For example, question number 7. See question number 7. Angle subtended as 120 degree. Can you see? Have you take this page? Yes, page number 230. In that page number 230, you can see such problems like, for example, question number 7. Okay, so angle subtended 120 degree, angle regarding 120 degree. Problems on central angle 120 degree is cancelled. So exercise 12.2, some parts only cancelled. Only few parts only cancelled. Okay, clear? Page number 228 also you can see such examples. 120 degree example, example number 3. Okay, so some questions, problems on central angle of 120 degree is cancelled in that chapter. Okay, so coming with the next chapter, surface area and volume. This is your chapter number 30. Surface area and volume. There is the topic. That topic is completely removed. Which is that topic? You want to know? Yes. What's the topic? Yes. Frustum of a cone. That topic is removed completely. Chapter number 13. That exercise 13.4 is also removed completely. Take page number 252. So all of you take 252. Yes. Can you see? 252. Frustum of a cone. This session is completely removed. So what are the problems you have to study here in your textbook regarding frustum of a cone? All the topics are cancelled. Okay, so you can cancel in your textbook page number 252, page number 253, 254, 255, 256. Okay, and simply we can say exercise 13.4 is completely removed. See dear students, this is the last exercise. Then your chapter is going to finish. So you have to study only in your 13th chapter, exercise 13.1, 13.2, 13.3 till 13.3 only. And the next 13.4 is deleted completely. Now you feel relaxed? See, don't worry, most of the topics is, it's like not completely deleted a chapter, but in between small topics is deleted. So it will make you more relaxed while studying mathematics. So you just cancel in a textbook exercise 13.4. Okay, clear? Now coming with our next chapter. That is chapter number 14. Now we have two more chapters. That is the last unit. Unit number 6. Statistics and probability. Actually, you take page number, you can see statistics. Okay, take chapter 14. Parts of exercise 14.3 and exercise 14.4 is completely removed. Let's read that session. Step deviation method for finding mean. That is a method describing. Okay. Take this page number 265. All of you take 265, 266. Got 266. Step deviation method. That step deviation method problem for finding mean we are using, that problem is completely removed. So cancel step deviation method. Page number 265, 266, 267, 268, 269. In that pages step deviation method is well explained. So dear students, that method is cancelled. Remaining all the methods you have to study. So and one more thing, cumulative frequency graph. That cumulative frequency graph also cancelled. That you can see at the end of the question, statistics, cumulative frequency graph. I will tell you the page number. Here, page number 289. 289. Graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. 289 onwards, all the pages. 292, 93, 94. Okay, till 92. It is describing cumulative frequency graph. That graph also cancelled. So two topics removed. Step deviation method is removed, and all the problems regarding step deviation method you can cancel, and cumulative frequency graph also cancelled. Clear? So exercise wise we can say that parts of exercise 14.3. Exercise 14.3 parts and exercise 14.4 completely, because cumulative frequency graph is removed. Based on that cumulative frequency graph problems included in your exercise 14.4. So this exercise 14.4 now need to study, you can cancel it, that is deleted. So dear guys, deleted. So you can delete exercise 14.4 is completely deleted. Okay. Then coming with the next chapter, probability. It's actually easy chapter. You just turn the pages. Yes, easy enough. You have 15.1, only one exercise I think. 15.1 only. You have 15.2 is optional. That's not that. So 15.1 only. There is no deletion. Declared as there is no deletion. There is nothing to delete. That's also simple. Easy chapter, probability. So there is no changing probability. So is it clear? Is it clear? This announcement is clear. So have you cleared this arrangement? These all are our topics, deleted topics. What are the topics deleted from our CBSE? Okay, so you feel it's relaxed now? So do you feel headache now? Don't feel like that. Okay, now you get. I know, now you feel more relaxed, more cool. Okay, so students, relax, relax, be cool. Okay, so is it clear? All the topics you clear? Okay, so take your textbook and mark all the topics. What are the topics is removed? What are the topics? So remaining all the topics. What are the topics is removed? Depending that other topics are included in your exams. Okay, so today onwards, let's study. So be happy. So first of all of you give a smile. Give a smile. Okay, so now you're relaxed. Okay, so today onwards, you just take a decision. Study. Okay, you can. Right. Okay, so you tell yourself, yes, I can. So it's just simple only, depending on the coming years, back previous years or next coming year students also. Okay, so we are very lucky students. These all the portions is cancelled. Okay, and these portions are also not included in your any internal exams or any practical exam or anything. All the problems are removed. Okay, for board exams also it is removed. So it means these portions removed means 30% of this chapter of your textbook. Not any single chapter completed, not like that. Okay, in between portions, like that it is given by the CBSE. So 30% is removed. So don't think I have to study this much. Okay, in between small portions is removed, and I clearly explained you what are the topics. So if you have any doubts, just go back, watch again, mark everything in your textbook. Study well today onwards. Okay, so if you like this video, click like and also subscribe with your family. Okay, with your friends. What all your friends are studying in 10th standard, all it's very useful video. So just share with your friends, your family, your relatives and all. Also don't forget to press like. Okay, so be ready. Study today onwards. Thank you.